I read online about Project Beauty Share. They have a nice website and they are a nonprofit that gives hygiene and beauty items to women coming out of very difficult situations in their lives. Women who have come out of abusive situations or who have come out of homelessness, addiction, other types of challenges in life, and they want to give them some of their dignity back, give them some self-pride and feeling of value and something to celebrate and have fun with. And so these things, these hygiene and cosmetics items are a blessing to these women, and I wanted to show you a little bit about it. I'm going to pack up a donation box of items that I have. I'm going to go through my excess hygiene and cosmetics items and see what I have that I can send them to give. Beauty Share appreciates donations of either money, items, or time, and they have a variety of different guidelines and things so that you can figure out what way to help would be best for you. I printed off the list of items that Project Beauty Share will take, along with the notes of how things have to be in order to be accepted. One of the things that's here at the top says jewelry, so I'm looking through my costume jewelry to see what items I have that I might like to pare down. So these earrings are really not my style anymore, so I think that I can part with them. They're pretty, but they're just not for me. They're a little bit big for my taste nowadays. These earrings are pretty, but they're heavy feeling on my ears, so I really don't want to keep those anymore. And then let's see what else. I think I might part with these earrings. They're pretty too, but they're just not my style anymore. So they really are pretty, but just not my style anymore. Times change, styles change. So there's a section on face products. One of the things is that it says it takes eye creams and primers. I've got two of these that are still sealed in plastic that I got last, gosh, I want to say last Christmas, and I've never opened it. I've never popped the seal. So since they're just perfect, and except I don't use these things as much as I thought I would, I'm going to go ahead and donate those too. Okay, so this is where we are with our donations. I'm going to box all of this up. Some of these are very nice things, but I just never got around to using them like I thought I would. Some of my jewelry that my tastes have just changed over time. Just lots of little odds and ends. Some of these things, masks and little sample size lotion items, came from Walmart gift box. Walmart had a sample box that I used to subscribe to. I don't anymore. I didn't use them as much as I thought I would. Got some hair products, some lotions, very nice lotions, a few little primers, eye primers, and things like that. So I'm going to pack them up and pass them on to someone else who will appreciate them more than I do, and get some real value out of them and build some self-confidence for themselves, feel good about themselves. So I'm happy about that. Again, if anyone wants to find out more information about it, go to Project Beauty Share online. You can get all of the details about what they take, what the limitations are. Some things they can take if they are barely used. Some things have to be brand new. So there's a variety of things that you could maybe get rid of if you go through your items. It's a good time to do it too before Christmas, because if you might get Christmas gifts of health and beauty type of items and jewelry, this will be a good time to clear things out so that you have room for your new things. Anyway, I hope that y'all have enjoyed this visit today as I show you how I do it. And again, I hope that you will give this website a look, Project Beauty Share. And there you go. Thank you again all for watching. I'm Beth, and that's how I'm doing it. By the way, Project Beauty Share does have an Amazon wish list, so if you go look for their Amazon wish list, you can see a variety of items at different price points that you can have shipped straight to their location. And in some ways, this may be easier because if you don't have items at home that you already want to ship, you can find things here that are basic hygiene items that these women would appreciate, and the different aspects here are all covered. We've got razors, we've got chapstick, we've got soap, and we've got feminine products, all kinds of things here. And it says needs 100, but you don't have to buy that many. That's just saying how many they're looking for in general, so that they can make their packets to hand out. So you could then just click add to cart and then purchase those items. They'll be shipped straight to this location. And if you've got Amazon Prime, that'll help you because that's just free shipping if you already have the Amazon Prime. So anyway, there you go, and it's just another way to help